Good morning, students. Civics chapter 6 political party is going on. Today in 8th topic we will attempt the topic challenges to political parties. Already we have discussed that political parties perform many functions like political parties contest elections, they form government, run the government, political parties shape the public opinions. So we can say that political parties are necessary for the working of democracy, or we can say that they are the crucial for the working of democracy. In modern time, it is the most visible face of democracy. Political parties are the most visible face or most visible institutions of democracy. Maybe there are very less chances that people are aware about the form of government, what is democracy, but there are few chances that people are knew the name of any party. So they are the most visible institutions of democracy. People blame political parties in a democratic system when anything go wrong in a democracy. लोग साथ डेमोक्रेसी में कुछ भी गलत होता है, for that thing they blame the political parties or political leaders. People express strong dissatisfaction with failure of parties. Whenever parties are failure to do well of the peoples, then people strongly express their dissatisfactions. Parties need to face and overcome these challenges. There are many challenges. If parties are failure, why parties are failure in democracy? There are many challenges are facing by parties, and parties need to face and parties need to tackle to solve these challenges to a successful democracy system in our country. Now, what are the challenges to the political parties? What type of challenges are facing by the political parties? There are 4 types of major challenges are facing by the political parties. The first is lack of internal democracy. Second is challenge of dynastic succession. The third one is growing role of money and muscle power. And last challenge is parties are not successful in providing the meaningful choice to the voter. We can write no meaningful choice to the voters in the elections. I'm again repeating, there are 4 challenges to the political parties: lack of internal democracy, challenges of dynastic succession, challenge of growing role of money and muscle power in political system, no meaningful choice to the voters in the elections. These are the 4 major challenges which are facing by a political party. In this video today we will discuss only 2 challenges. In next video will be discussed by us the remaining challenges. First is lack of internal democracy. All over the world there is a tendency in political parties towards the concentration of power in one or few leaders at the top. Not only in India, all over the world there is a tradition, there is a custom, there is a tendency that mostly powers of the political parties are concentrated in the hand of few leaders at the top level. Like in India, in Congress party, powers lies in the hand of Gandhi Parivar. In BJP, few leaders are more powerful, like Amit Shah and Modi ji are more powerful than the other leaders in USA, in UK, in all countries. Parties do not keep membership registers. Even parties अपने members का, who are the member of the party, they do not maintain the registers also. It is membership. Parties do not hold organization meetings. ना तो मेंबरशिप रजिस्टर मेंटेन होता है, ना पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस की मीटिंग कंटिन्यू रेगुलरली पार्टीज नहीं कराती है. एंड पार्टी डू नॉट कंडक्ट इंटरनल इलेक्शंस रेगुलरली. पार्टीज के अंदर डिफरेंट पोस्ट होती हैं, पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट, पार्टी सेक्रेटरी, एंड फॉर ऑल दीज पोस्ट पार्टी डू नॉट कंडक्ट द इंटरनल इलेक्शंस रेगुलरली. So if no regular elections, no meeting, no membership registers, so we can say that there is no internal democracy within the parties. Ordinary members of the party do not get sufficient information on what happens at the party. Mainly all decisions are taken by the few leaders in the party. Ordinary members do not aware what is going on in the party. The leader which assume the greater power to make decision in the name of party, such few leaders which are more powerful in the party, they take the decisions in the name of party. More than loyalty to the party principles and policies, personal loyalty to the leader become more important. That's why ordinary worker of the party and supporter of the party are more loyal to these leaders because they are having more powers than the party principles. Next challenge is challenge of dynastic succession. Most political parties do not practice open and transparent procedure for their functioning. Mostly there is a lack of transparency in the parties. There are very few ways for a ordinary worker to rise to the top in a party. बहुत कम चांसेस होते हैं कि आम पार्टी वर्कर के लिए कि पार्टी में पार्टी की टॉप पोजीशन तक पहुंच सके. In many parties, the top positions are always controlled by the member of one family. Like in Haryana International Lokdal Party, it is always controlled by the Devilal, Om Prakash Chautala, Abhay Chautala, Ajay Chautala, mainly by the one family. Congress party always controlled by one Gandhi family. So in other countries also, mainly these leaders also influence the decision of the party, and they unfairly the tickets are distributed to their relatives. This is unfair to other members also. It is unfair to the worker of the party. This is also bad for democracy. It is also not good for democracy. Mainly parties are controlled by one family. This hereditary system is following in the party. The people who are not liked by the common citizen, the leader who is not liked by the common citizen, who is not having proper experience, who is not talented, such peoples reach to the top position of the parties. They have unfair advantage in the parties. This tendency is present in some measures all over the world, not only in India. The dynastic succession is present in some measures. कहीं ज़्यादा है, कहीं कम है. Tendency vary from one country to another country, but it is present in all over the countries, including some of the older democracies. जो older democracy, India, USA, South Africa, in some countries, in these countries also, this tendency is found. These are the challenges which are facing by the democracy. That's all for today, students.